Hey guys, so there are two ways how you can possibly fix this issue when your Xbox One control buttons are not responding. So the first thing is that you can hard reset your console by holding down the power button on the console slightly after it turns off. You will know we did right opens with the Xbox loading screen once you restart. So then also this guy, unplugged my TV, then plugged back in for full restart, works fine now. Also, another thing that you can try to do is that someone wrote here that what you can try to do is just like cleaning it with often fix this. You can disassemble the controller to separate the buttons, shell, rubber membrane and circuit board and have proper access to clean out dirt that has gone stuck in between them. In particular, clean the sides of the button and the sides of the buttonhole in the shell. So try these out, maybe some of it is going to like help you to actually fix this issue, and I just want to make this like quick video for you. And yeah, have a great day and goodbye.